Turn on. Meaning, start a machine or device. Examples: please turn on the lights. He turned on the TV to watch the game. Common mistake: don't say open the light. The correct phrase is turn on the light. Turn off. Meaning, stop a machine or device. Examples: don't forget to turn off the stove. She turned off her phone during the meeting. Common mistake: close the light is incorrect. Say turn off the light. Wake up. Meaning, stop sleeping. Examples: I wake up at 7 a.m. He woke up late today. Common mistake: wake up means opening your eyes. Get up means getting out of bed. Give up. Meaning, stop trying. Examples: don't give up on your dreams. She gave up learning guitar. Common mistake: avoid using desist as a direct translation. Use give up in context. Throw away. Meaning, put something in the trash. Examples: please throw away your cup. He threw away the old papers. Common mistake: put away means to store something, not to throw it in the trash. Put on. Meaning, wear clothes or accessories. Examples: she put on her jacket. Don't forget to put on sunscreen. Common mistake: use clothes is incorrect. Say put on. Take off. Meaning, remove clothes or for a plane to leave. Examples: he took off his shoes. The plane took off on time. Common mistake: remove is too formal. Take off is more natural in everyday speech. Try on. Meaning, test clothes to see if they fit. Examples: can I try on this shirt? She tried on 10 dresses. Common mistake: don't use just try. Use try on specifically for clothes. Pick up. Meaning, collect or lift something or someone. Examples: I'll pick up the kids at school. She picked up the phone. Common mistake: don't say catch the phone. The correct phrase is pick up the phone. Drop off. Meaning, leave something or someone at a place. Examples: I'll drop you off at the station. He dropped off the package. Common mistake: don't confuse with drop, which means to accidentally let something fall. Speak up. Meaning, talk louder or express your opinion. Examples: can you speak up? I can't hear you. Don't be afraid to speak up. Common mistake: talk high is incorrect. Use speak up. Shut down. Meaning, Turn off completely, especially machines. Examples. Please shut down the computer. The factory shut down last year. Common mistake. Don't confuse with turn off. Shut down is often more final. Fill out. Meaning. Complete a form. Examples. Fill out this form, please. I filled out the survey online. Common mistake. Fill alone may sound confusing. Use fill out for documents. Break up. Meaning, end a relationship. Examples. They broke up last month. I heard you broke up with Sam. Common mistake. Finish the relationship sounds unnatural. Say break up. Catch on. Meaning, understand or realize. Examples. He didn't catch on at first. I finally caught on to the joke. Common mistake. Understand is fine, but catch on is more casual. Go over. Meaning, review or go through something. Examples. Let's go over the plan again. The teacher went over the answers. Common mistake. See again is not natural. Use go over. Pass out. Meaning, faint or distribute something, depending on the context. Examples. He passed out from the heat. The teacher passed out the tests. Common mistake. Sleep is not the same. Pass out means to faint. You made it. Now let's test your skills. Which phrasal verb fits the sentence? I was so tired that I'm on the couch right after dinner. A. Gave up. B. Got up. C. Passed out. D. Turned off. Think carefully. Type your answer in the comments and tell me why you chose it. Let's see who's really catching on. If this helped, leave a like, hit subscribe, and comment your favorite phrasal verb below. Ready to learn even more? Click on the next video and keep your English growing. You've got this flex biceps.